Most people think their liver is dirty, toxic, and needs a cleanse. Juice cleanses, detox teas, liver flushes, none of that actually fixes the problem. Here's the truth, your liver is not a storage unit for toxins. It's the organ that removes them. But when your liver becomes inflamed or fatty, it can't do its job properly. Today, I'll show you the exact foods, backed by science, that restore liver function, reduce inflammation, and help your liver detoxify at its highest level naturally. What your liver actually does. Before we talk about foods, you need to understand how powerful your liver really is. Your liver performs over 500 essential functions every single day. Its primary role is detoxification, breaking down chemicals, drugs, hormones, and metabolic waste so your body can safely eliminate them. Your liver produces bile, a detergent-like substance that helps you digest fats and absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Without bile, you don't just have digestive problems, you accumulate fat in the liver and bloodstream. Your liver is also a hormone factory. It produces IGF-1, or insulin-like growth factor, which works alongside growth hormone to burn fat, build muscle, and maintain lean tissue. It also plays a major role in producing steroid hormones like testosterone, estrogen, progesterone, vitamin D, and cortisol, the hormone that allows your body to handle stress. In fact, about 80% of the cortisol circulating in your bloodstream originates from your liver. Without proper liver function, stress tolerance drops, inflammation rises, and energy crashes. Cholesterol, sugar, and liver confusion. One of the most misunderstood aspects of liver health is cholesterol. Your liver makes a large portion of the cholesterol in your body, and cholesterol is not the enemy. Cholesterol is the building block for hormones, bile, and cell membranes. Here's what most people don't realize: cholesterol is made primarily from carbohydrates, not dietary fat. Excess sugar and refined carbs are converted into fat and cholesterol inside the liver. That's why fatty liver disease is so closely linked to high-carb diets, insulin resistance, and metabolic syndrome. When cholesterol production is blocked with medications, hormone production can suffer. Testosterone, estrogen, cortisol, and vitamin D synthesis can all be affected. This is why liver health is foundational to hormonal balance. Signs your liver needs support. Liver dysfunction doesn't always announce itself loudly. Many symptoms are subtle and often mistaken for aging or unrelated issues. Common signs include chronic fatigue, itchiness, nausea, brain fog, joint stiffness, and inflammation. Yellowing of the skin or eyes, known as jaundice, is a more obvious sign, but many people experience liver stress long before that. Gallstones are another clear indicator, because bile is produced by the liver. Poor bile flow leads to stone formation. Even cognitive decline, poor memory, and low motivation can be connected to liver dysfunction. The liver filters toxins that would otherwise circulate to the brain. When it struggles, mental clarity declines. Food number 1, cruciferous vegetables. If there's one category of food that stands above the rest for liver health, it's cruciferous vegetables. This includes broccoli, kale, Brussels sprouts, arugula, radishes, cabbage, mustard greens, and cauliflower. These vegetables are rich in sulforaphane, a powerful compound that activates liver detox enzymes, reduces inflammation, and improves insulin sensitivity. Sulforaphane helps the liver clear toxins more efficiently and reduces fat accumulation. What's remarkable is that sulforaphane continues to enhance liver function even weeks after consumption stops. That means these vegetables create lasting metabolic benefits. Broccoli sprouts, radish sprouts, and mustard sprouts are especially potent. Sprouting dramatically increases sulforaphane concentration. Just a small amount can deliver massive benefits. Heat destroys the enzyme needed to activate sulforaphane, which is why raw or lightly cooked cruciferous vegetables, or pairing cooked vegetables with raw sprouts or mustard, is ideal. Food number 2, garlic. Garlic is one of the most powerful liver-supporting foods on the planet. It's rich in sulfur compounds that help activate detoxification pathways. Sulfur binds to toxins and helps your liver remove them safely. Garlic also strips fat from the liver, reduces inflammation, and acts as a natural antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal agent. It's loaded with antioxidants and vitamin B1, which supports energy metabolism. Regular garlic consumption has been shown to reduce fatty liver markers and improve overall liver resilience. Food number 3, turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the most studied anti-inflammatory compounds in the world. Curcumin reduces liver inflammation, repairs damaged liver cells, and supports mitochondrial health, the energy centers of your cells. Turmeric also helps detoxify heavy metals like mercury, lead, arsenic, and cadmium. It protects liver cells from oxidative stress and has powerful anti-cancer properties. The liver is incredibly resilient. Even when damaged, it can regenerate if given the right support. Turmeric plays a major role in that regeneration process, especially when combined with low-carb nutrition and intermittent fasting. Food number 4, beets. Beets have long been known as a liver-supporting food. Their pigments contain phytonutrients that stimulate bile flow, reduce liver enzymes, and protect liver cells from fibrosis and scarring. Beets are hepatoprotective, meaning they protect liver tissue and slow the progression towards cirrhosis. When consumed whole or lightly steamed, their fiber helps buffer blood sugar response. Half a cup of beets contains relatively low carbohydrates and can easily fit into a liver-supportive diet when paired with protein and fat. Mushrooms and food number 6, avocados. Mushrooms are one of the richest food sources of glutathione, the liver's primary antioxidant. Varieties like oyster mushrooms and turkey tail mushrooms protect liver cells and neutralize toxins. Avocados also increase glutathione levels and reduce liver inflammation. Studies show that eating just one avocado per week significantly improves liver enzyme markers. Both foods improve insulin sensitivity and reduce fat accumulation in the liver, making them powerful tools for reversing fatty liver disease. Food number 7, extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory fats you can consume. Just 1 teaspoon per day improves liver enzymes, reduces liver fat, and enhances insulin sensitivity. Olive oil supports bile production, protects liver cells, and reduces oxidative stress. Small, consistent amounts are far more effective than large occasional doses. Your liver doesn't need a detox, it needs support. And food is the most powerful medicine you have. Start with just one change this week. Add cruciferous vegetables, garlic, or olive oil to your meals and let your liver restore itself naturally. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more science-based health content, and check out the liver playlist on screen now.